So tell me about yourself.
Good morning. I am Chandler G. Capuyan, 17 years old, and currently living in Purokwan, Lubugan, Toril. I'm a graduating UM student who is eager to grow both personally and professionally. I am to further develop my communication skills, confidence, and sense of responsibility through meaningful teaching experiences. I want to contribute not only to my own growth but also to the learning of others, which is why I am applying to be a student teacher.
So, what are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strengths: I'm good at socializing because I can easily adapt to new environments and build strong relationship with people. I'm also confident and approachable, which helps me communicate and connect well with others. Lastly, I am good follower because I believe that great leaders start by being good listeners and team players. And my weaknesses, one of my weaknesses is my fear failure. Sometimes I get affected by what others might say, but I'm learning to see failures as lessons. For growth, I also easily lose hope and become short-tempered when I'm exhausted or overwhelmed. However, I'm working on improving my patience and staying positive in tough situations.
So, what do you think that you are qualified for this position or course?
I believe I am qualified to be a student teacher because I have strong communication and interpersonal skills, which allow me to connect easily with students and mentors. I am approachable, confident, and can adapt quickly to different situations. I also take my responsibilities seriously, follow instruction carefully, and embrace challenges with a positive mindset. Most importantly, I am willing to learn, grow, and serve as a role model to others.
So, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years from now?
5 years from now, I see myself as a more confident and independent young adult who is steadily working toward my goals. I envision myself gaining real life experience, meeting new and inspiring people, and continuously learning and improving in both my personal and professional life. I want to be someone who inspires others to keep striving for their dreams.
So, how do you handle stress, teamwork, or challenges?
I handle stress by writing in my journal, which helps me release my thoughts and emotion. I also play computer games as a way to take short breaks and clear my mind from pressure. When facing challenges, I treat them as a stepping stone to help me grow stronger and improve myself. In teamwork, I value communication, respect, and cooperation, making sure to listen to others and contribute positively.
So, what makes you stand out from other applicants?
What makes me stand out is my strong ability to build meaningful connections with people. I am naturally approachable and confident, which helps create a positive and comfortable environment for learning. I easily adapt to new situations and can work well both independently and in a team. I also show commitment and dedication in everything I do, and I make sure to learn from every experience to become better.
So, Mr. Kapuyan, for your last question, do you have any last message for your interviewer?
Yes, if I am given the opportunity to be part of this program, I promise to do my best in every situation and use this experience to grow as a future leader. I'll give my full effort to learn, contribute, and make a positive impact. Thank you for this opportunity and good morning.